Calderis. We Blood Ravens select our initiates from this world's fierce warriors. Calderis is the cradle and the future of our chapter. Now, the orcs would take it from us. This we cannot allow. We are battling the orcs that threaten this world. You have dropped right into the combat zone. I am north of you with several squads of our initiates. We are under heavy fire and losing control of our flanks. Move north and provide support.
To select your character, click on them with the left mouse button.
Oi! Some of the enemies come behind us! Kill them! Ahead of you are trying to outflank us. Eliminate them. Well fought, Commander. But the Greenskins will not give us much time before they attack again. I need you and Sergeant Tarkus to take charge of driving the orcs back. Move up to the ruins east of here and prepare to repel the next orc wave.
Readiness is all. Repositioning. Orc vehicle. Stay in cover. That truck has a heavy gun. More shooting, less dying, you gigs!
Get 'em, boys! There ain't no
boys! And these Umis is fucking up me truck! Back through the tunnel! With me, Tactical squad. More orcs, and lots of cover to use on our approach. Brothers, fire! Tactical squad, return fire!
Well done, Commander. Those orcs have opened a path through the hills somehow. Move forward and seal it.
He's right now about that truck beast.
Commander, the orcs are using a guard tower near the cave mouth. My squad can take it out with a grenade. Under attack.
Greenskins are clearly using that mine as a passage, Commander. Seal that entrance by any means necessary.
Tactical Marines awaiting order. The orcs have stacked fuel and ordnance near the entrance over there.
Good work, Space Marines. The Greenskins will not be using that passage again anytime soon.
But the leader managed to escape through the tunnel before we could kill him. That was our chance to cut this invasion off at the head.
He will show himself again, Tarkus. And when he does, we will be ready. Thunderhawks are en route. Prepare for extraction. Welcome aboard Strike Cruiser Armageddon, Commander. Calderis is currently facing a massive orc invasion that threatens to spill over to the entire sector. Urgent distress signals are coming from other nearby sectors, but we must concentrate our efforts here. I need you to take charge of an assault that's stalled on the surface below. Drop to the point marked on the planet map and start pushing into the orcs' flank. The Greenskins have taken over a hamlet outside Argus. This hamlet sits on a vital supply route, and all of Calderis could fall if we do not dislodge them. Sergeant Avitus and his squad of Devastator Space Marines held the hamlet alone, but they were finally overwhelmed. You must retake the hamlet and drive the orcs back. To aid in this, I am assigning Sergeant Cyrus and his squad of scouts to your command.
This guard duty stuff is naff. We should be out stopping Umis again like we did to the town. Wait, did you hear something?
Cyrus to Armageddon. In position.
Space Marines, heartening news. Avitus, the squad leader who defended the hamlet, is still alive. The orcs incapacitated him, but apparently could not finish the job.
Avitus is too stubborn to die.
So it would seem, Cyrus. An orc guard position stands between you and Sergeant Avitus. Approach with stealth and eliminate the Greenskins.
Understood. Look alive, brother.
Bring down that guard tower, Cyrus.
Tactical Marines are in, repositioning.
We need only a word.
There, moving up.
Four guards eliminated.
Excellent work, Cyrus. Avitus's position is on your tactical display. Revive him so that he may join your attack.
Damn orcs found another pass through the hills.
There is a relay beacon near your position, Commander. Secure it, and we can deploy reinforcements to fill out your squads.
Be vigilant.
The chapter banner flying.
Move Avitus near the beacon, and we can get his squad back to full strength. Reinforcements inbound. Excellent. Avitus and his Devastator squad are back to full strength. Now, push into the hamlet and eliminate those orcs, Commander.
Be vigilant. Foes growing strength.
Skin eliminated. Tactical squad. Get to that position.
This way. Those orcs are turning tail.
They could be going for help. Stay alert. Tactical squad repositioning.
Brothers, we go. My squad should set up in heavy cover, Commander. The suppressive fire from my heavy bolter will keep the greenskins pinned. Our weapons are ready.
We need
There. Devastator's ready to fire. Our heavy bolters are deadly, but they take time to set up and have a limited field of fire.
Tactical squad.
Commander, there is a second relay beacon near your position. Activate it to finish securing the hamlet. Excellent work, Commander. The hamlet is secure. More orcs are on the way, Commander. Set up your forces to repel the attack. This hamlet must not fall again.
How can we serve?
say it now.
This is
before the
Avitus.
cleansing begins.
Adjust your positions.
Be vigilant.
Orcs on approach.
Come on, greenskins!
Good work, Avitus. They have nowhere to run now. Target them before they can get to cover. Tactical Marines report. Loose formation. Enemy boat.
Well done, Space Marines. Thunderhawks are on approach to return you to the Armageddon. Well done, Commander. With the hamlet cleared, we can secure the main route into the capital.
The Greenskins knew to strike where we were most vulnerable, Captain Thule.
Cyrus is correct. Someone is agitating the orcs and pointing them at valuable targets. If we are going to win this war, we need to find out who is using the Greenskins against us. Commander, the orcs have struck another critical target. The orc raiding parties are led by a knob named Skykiller. This knob leads a squad of Stormboys, orcs equipped with primitive jump packs. Stormboys are especially ruthless orcs that can strike quickly and escape before reinforcements arrive. Eliminate Skykiller. This will buy us valuable time and may uncover who is guiding these orcs.
Location flagged on the map, Commander.
We will blaze a trail of blood straight there.
Keep boasting, and the blood will be ours. Going in, brother.
Let them fall before us! Tactical squad repositioning. Move into that position.
Look alive, brothers.
Eliminate that target. Preparedness is over.
Let's go. Orc filth. Our weapons are ready.
Well done, Commander.
I trust this was worth the effort.
It was. With this foundry in our hands, we can redeploy more quickly. Its beacon also allows for healing and reinforcement. Field generators are deploying now, Commander. Additional generators will not be available until your next deployment.
Beneath me feet!
Move in for the kill!
Moving to that position.
Nothing can save us!
Do not let him escape!
A
lived. Loud, fast, and dangerous!
Enemy destroyed, Commander.
Another greenskin dead.
Make ready for extraction.
Well done, Commander. We will find who is strengthening this Orc horde yet. I am deploying a team to search the Orc remains for clues as to who is agitating them.
Have we received any additional word from the neighboring sector, Captain?
No, we have lost all contact with them.
What could possibly take out the communications network of an entire sector in a few days?
We will have to investigate, but the defense of Calderis must come first. Commander, deploy to the surface as soon as your squads are ready. Commander, the Orcs have struck another valuable target. A powerful Orc chieftain named Gut-Wrencher is leading the assault, but someone must have pointed him at this target, likely without his even knowing it. Take your squads and eliminate this beast before he does more damage. Keep on the lookout for clues as to who may be manipulating him. Gut-Wrencher's location is marked on your map display, Commander. You will need to fight through the Orcs defending him.
Cyrus here. Greenskin activity.
Devastator Marines. Brothers, combat.
Destination confirmed.
Say it now before we be vigilant. Under fire.
Commander, you are near an important communication array.
Capturing that array would give us a better hold on the planet, Commander.
That array is well defended. Capturing it will not be simple. Conserving ammunition.
Get to that position, brothers.
Oh, nuts to yours!
This way. Scouts on my mark.
Guns, open fire!
Don't take it for the Emperor.
Moving to capture.
The array is in our hands.
Field generators are deploying now, Commander. Additional generators will not be available until your next deployment.
through me boys, did ya? Guess I got to kill you myself.
Target sighted.
We are your death, Greenskin.
Grenade!
Target's under attack. With me. Fancy kid gonna save ya. Wonder what you taste like roasted.
Priority target open.
Cyrus here. Battle ready. Grenade.
Scatter! Enemy shockwave coming!
Get to that position, brothers. Enemy has targeted this area.
Formation, brothers. Go.
Enemy has us in close combat.
Incoming fire! Advancing.
Seeing them very well.
Tactical Marines, remain vigilant.
Devastator's under enemy attack.
With me, brothers, advance! Kill the greenskin.
The Emperor Wilson. Silence all. Battle ready.
I'm not forced no more. Zog it.
The orc scum is dead at last.
Ready for extraction, Commander.
Good work, Commander. Gut-Wrencher's death has scattered his orc band. We have found crucial evidence among the remains of Skykiller and Gut-Wrencher's orcs. Both had recently visited Fellhammer Mine in the mountains outside Argus. Whoever is stirring up the orcs must be using Fellhammer as a base of operations. Commander, the time has come to strike at our true enemy. Whoever has been provoking and guiding the Greenskins is holed up at Fellhammer Mine on the outskirts of Argus. We believe that Mech Badzappa, the orc who escaped us when you first arrived on Calderas, is also headed for the mine. You and your squads will drop south of Fellhammer and push north. Strength and firepower will pay greater dividends than stealth. For this reason, Sergeant Cyrus will remain aboard the Armageddon and provide mission support.
What's that in the sky?
Tactical Marines ready.
Weapons ready. Brothers,
Destination confirmed.
Devastator's under enemy attack.
Eliminate the orcs. Onward.
Move north up the valley, Commander. Get to Fellhammer Mine and find out who is stirring up the orcs.
Movement on the ridge. Gone. But those were no orcs.
Here is the convoy. The orcs slaughtered them.
We will avenge them. Keep moving. Orc gunners on the ridge! Get to cover! Make ready.
Fury from the sky! Cut them down! Sergeant Thaddeus, reporting for duty, Commander.
Did you have a pleasant rest, waiting for the most dramatic moment to strike?
Good to see you too. Commander, my squad can use our jump packs to land right in the middle of those gunners. They're no match for us in close combat.
Gunners eliminated. Commander, there is a communications array nearby that we should secure for the chapter. Strategic assets like these grant us combat advantages and allow us to more easily reinforce in the field.
I will run a scan on their defenses. Commander, the orcs are well entrenched at the main entrance. Frontal assault would be unwise.
A jump, some grenades, and we're in, Cyrus.
And right in the sights of the whole orc horde.
Full assault then! Strike hard and true!
Your orders. Go! Show our strength! Orcs are firing on us!
Target destroyed. This is Avitus.
How can we serve?
Thaddeus reporting in.
Devastator Marines ready for combat. Repositioning.
There, moving up.
Excellent, Commander. This array will provide us with valuable combat intelligence in future operations.
Fellhammer Mine is close by, Commander.
Tactical Marines awaiting orders.
Assault squad ready.
At your command.
This is Avitus. Trouble. These are the Orc guards killed where they stood. Someone else has gone through here.
Swiftly! Before the humans arrive! We cannot allow one obstinate Orc to derail the Vossia's plan.
Our weapons are ready. Brothers, we go.
At your command. Repositioning.
It's Spoon, Starkiller and Gutruncher. The sidewalk eye says you ain't even orcs at all!
Now the humans join the fray. Fools cannot see the true threat facing us all.
Not Space Marines too! Time to lug it!
Eldar, and the Warlock leads them. Commander, the Eldar must be the ones who have been stirring up the orcs. Kill those Eldar before they escape.
Engaged by Eldar!
Grant all you wish, Eldar. We stand, and you have fallen.
This is a grave development, Commander. The Eldar are evidently provoking and influencing the orcs. Their involvement is hardly good news.
They claim to be stirring up the orcs to combat a common threat. What could that be?
I would not put much stock in what the Eldar say. They are deceitful and manipulative by nature.
That they are, Tarkus, but the Eldar aren't fools. The Warlock you defeated may have been guiding the orcs here on Calderis, but he was only one part of a larger plan. We are receiving reports that the Eldar are stirring up the orcs on the nearby Typhon system. The Armageddon will take you to Typhon, so you can engage the enemy there. I will relay all distress signals we receive from Typhon back to you.
Commander, this is the Armageddon's navigation display. From here, you can review data on the planets of the Aurelian subsector. You can also order the Armageddon to initiate warp travel to one of these worlds. When you are ready, initiate travel to the Typhon system.
We are receiving reports that the Eldar are stirring up the orcs on the nearby Typhon system. Like Calderis, Typhon is a recruiting world for our chapter. We cannot allow it to fall. The Armageddon will take you to Typhon, so you can engage the enemy there. I will remain here on Calderis to coordinate defensive operations. I will relay all distress signals we receive from Typhon back to you.